So to make a set list on our Google Docs web page, you go to our web page, and here's the list of all of our songs, and each song, it's on a particular row. American Woman is on row 8, Born to Be Wild is on row 16, and if I want Born to Be Wild to be first, I take that number 16 and put it in this yellow section, and 16. And it automatically copies all the information from these columns over to this section. And Call Me the Breeze would be next. I have number 18 is Call Me the Breeze. So I put the number 18 in there, and there's Call Me the Breeze with all of this information. You don't have to type it. And then we do, for example, say Day Tripper, which is on row number 23. So I put the number 23, and it copies all the information. And keep going. Row number 29 has Fun, Fun, Fun. Put number 29 in, and it fills out all the other information for you. Then you can take this and copy and paste. Take that and copy, Control C, go into Excel, and then you can paste it and do whatever you want with it then.